You're out of here. Alright guys, we're going to take a trip on down to the Valance and show you how this is supposed to come off. So, we have the fake exhaust tips right there. You see them. There you go. You see the pipe in there. There you go. So we got these tips, and before we take those off, we got to take off this black part here. So to take that off, bear with me, it's a little dirty. We got to take off that grommet. So that's one, and we're going to try to take these off and reuse the, not this one. We're not going to reuse this. I'm going to show you what to replace this with. And I have some grommets in case I break these. You have 4 of these. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 going down that way. So we're going to take that off, and after that, then we got to tackle taking this off, and I'll show you what that looks like in just a moment. Yeah, boy. What's going on, y'all? Go Carter, go here. Second part of that video from the last thing. Oh, what's this? We got the valance installed. Basically what I'm doing is putting on these, I know I'm gonna get a lot of slack for not getting these welded like I got the straight pipes from taking off my resonators. But I got these black tips on here. Basically, I lined them up pretty good, and I'm just tightening each one of them one at a time. Did one, gonna go ahead and do the other one. I'm just showing you guys what it looks like, and I'll show you some pictures, you know, outside and all that later on. So let me go ahead and tighten this up. All right, guys, so this is a different day. I wanted to go ahead and show you what it looks like after you swap out. You see it there. You swap out the rear valance, and I also put the exhaust tips on there. The round ones blacked out already. Came like that. I'll put the link down in the description where I got it from. But you see it. I think it looks good. Came out good. Pretty good install. Keep in mind, pay attention to my words. Pretty good install. Now, taking out the original factory ones, oh my gosh, ridiculous. Let me see if I can show you guys one of them real quick. All right, guys, I got a lot of stuff back there, so I just wanted to show you real quick. I just felt like pulling out one of them because the other one is under some tires back there. But yeah, so this is the original valance, how it came on there. I'm trying to show you at a good angle. So that's the original valance. That's the new valance. Original, new. I could have went with dual exhaust. I was thinking about doing dual exhaust, but I kind of like this look a lot better. It's more, I can't say more cleaner, but I just like that look a little better. I was debating for months and months to just keep this valance and just do dual exhaust, but I don't know. It seems like it's going to be more of a, you know, you got to find the exact fit and get some work done. Whereas with these, I ended up just doing this myself without having to go to exhaust shop, which was a plus. Save some money. And you know how we do. We like to try to do everything ourselves here at Go Cardo Go. But yes, this right here. Oh my gosh, taking this out. You had rivets and everything. Look at that. I had to just, I straight up just broke these rivets. You know, just destroyed them just to get it out. And that's how it originally sat. You know, it had a fake exhaust tip. Basically, it's what this is. It's metal, yes, but it was fake all the way, and I didn't like it because I knew myself when I would come up to it. Oop, got a message. But when I would come up to it myself, I kind of can see the ground. I was like, I'm not rocking with that too well. And keep in mind, excuse the dirtiness, with these, they're straight through. You see it? Straight through. Both sides. Straight through. Just how I like it. That's how I always wanted it. Finally got it the way that I want it. I'm gonna do some slight adjustment to it, especially that one there. But yeah, it's exactly how I want it. You know, flush, everything looks good. Exhaust tips, I want it to stick out just a bit. I have this original one. I'm not sure if I'm gonna sell it or probably keep it. I'm not sure. Let me know down in the descriptions what I should do with it. But in the meantime, you see it. That's what the original one looks like, and this is what the new one looks like with the black exhaust tips. I might add some red to it, to the tips or something like that, to kind of give it the same color scheme as everything else. But yes, if you like this video, I know it was dark in the video, forgive me. I was in the garage just like this. It was down, the garage door was down. It was nighttime. Just wanted to show you guys an in-depth explanation and install and take apart, if you will. Know anybody that wants to do this mod, be sure to share this video to them. Yeah, share it to everyone. Show them how to do this. This is for the V6 and V8 RT body trims to do this swap. And I'll put the link down in the description where I got this right here for 50 bucks. Yes, that's right. I got that new rear valance for 50 bucks. That's it. I'll put the link down in the description again where I got that. These exhaust tips, I'll go ahead and put the link down in the description where I got those as well. Pretty cheap for about 27 bucks each. And they're clamp-ons. I know everyone's gonna be like, oh, you didn't go weld. These are on here pretty good, guys. These are on here pretty good. They're not coming up. I generally go back and check them all the time because I hear horror stories of them falling off. But I think that's more of an install thing. If you didn't install it right, it's not gonna stay on, point blank. But if you installed it right, you know, you check it once in a while, you'll be good. It's nothing, you know, nothing crazy and nothing to be weary of. But in the meantime, guys, you know what to do. Go Cardo Go. Follow me. YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. You know it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. It's Go Cardo Go. We out.